Today we're making potato salad with tahini. It's a gorgeous recipe. I'm transferring my potatoes that I've soaked in salted water to a parchment paper, rosemary, some salt, black pepper, and some olive oil. Giving everything a good mix, spreading them out and cooking them in my preheated oven at 220 Celsius degrees. I'm transferring the cucumbers to a big bowl, red onions, lentils. You can also use kidney beans for this, they'll go great. And it's time for the sauce. To the mayonnaise, I'm adding some lemon juice, lemon zest and tahini, some mustard and some honey, giving it a nice mix. Once the potatoes are cooked, we're going to put everything together. Once I see the potatoes golden like this, I add them to my bowl, pour over the sauce and mixing this up. Some dill and parsley action and we are ready to serve. I hope you guys try. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.